friends, welcome to the Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. My name is Iliana and I'm here in our Kidtropolis exhibit. In today's Educator Moment, we are going to discuss color mixing. And our Educator Moment today is sponsored by Fort Bend Junior Service League. We thank them for all their support. Let's begin. Alright, so today we are going to make color mixing tops. And we're going to be using primary colors today. So primary colors are a group of colors that can be mixed together to make other colors. So naturally, we're going to be using red, blue, and yellow. Okay, so I have red, blue, and yellow paint here. The materials you'll need for this activity are a piece of cardboard. I found this Ziploc cardboard box. You can use cereal boxes at home. You need a circle template. I found a coaster. You can use a cup, again, whatever you find at home, a ruler, something to put in the middle of your top. You have chopstick, or I have this stir stick that I found in a stir coffee. You can use toothpick as well. Scissors, a pencil, and then I have my paintbrush and my water, and of course my paint. Let's get started. All right, so the first step of our activity, we want to go ahead and create our circle for our top. I'm just gonna use my template and create a perfect circle, just like that, and cut it out. All right, now that we have our circle, I want to try to make 4 equal sections of my circle, so I'm gonna use a ruler to do that, and as well as my pencil to draw my line. All right, so here are my 4 equal sections. You wanna try to get them as close as equal as possible. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to poke a hole in the middle with my scissors, because that's where my either chopstick, toothpick, whatever item you chose to put in the middle of your top, you need to make a little hole for it. So I'm just going to poke a little hole in the middle before I start painting. So now what we're going to do is pick the colors that we want to do to see what colors will mix together and make what. So I'm going to use paint. You can use markers as well for this if you want. I'm going to use red and yellow. And what you can do is do every other section. So my next section would be this. All right, so now we have our top. We're going to let this one dry. And I already had made a couple that I wanted to test out the colors to see if they work. You'll just put your device in the middle of the top where you made your cut. And we're gonna spin and see if the colors mix together. All right, so this one I'm actually seeing a little bit of hints of green as it spins around. And this one's kind of making purple, I'm seeing. Purple or hints of purple when the blue and the red mix together as it spins. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today for our fun color mixing art activity. Now, if you're watching us on our YouTube channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us on our social media pages. Again, my name is Iliana here at the Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. Have a wonderful day. Bye.